Polly pointed out something that I had to laugh about. It is true. See, Lee here, he's bent because a friend of ours here made some memes. I thought they were funny. But yeah, scientifically isn't blocked over here. But everybody that's over here is blocked on his page. That was a pretty cool note that she made. Yeah, he's got the cucumber on a stick. It's a good one. I didn't make them. I don't know how to make them. I thought they were cute though. Exaggerated self-importance. How many times I tell you you don't need me? You need the fucking information. You need to take the information out and give it to people without my name. Give a fuck if people know me. I don't want fucking friends. I'm not out here for sub shit. I'm out here to teach y'all shit. This is fucking crazy. I'm reading. All right. This guy here has been calling me a narcissist since a fucking long time ago. He told the world, he put out a video, told the world I'm a liar and a narcissist because I don't have free energy or perpetual motion machines. Example, I got working models of both, and he said he would make a retraction. He never did. But now he's calling me Mohammed and all. He's just calling me names. Well, this is after Derek Bros. I don't give a fuck what you think of the man. He's Bill Gates' less known, more influential partner, currently working out of Seattle. He came in with a hit squad, hit up Lee. Lee took down half his fucking content and started acting like a fool towards women, especially. And I'm like, oh my God. So here he goes about Muhammad and how he wants women to follow him, and women are evil and wicked. Wickedness, wicked, evil women. And he puts up words of love. Muhammad puts up slanderous memes. See the difference? Let me tell you something, Lee. Suck my fucking dick. So I'm actually reading this. This is symptoms of a narcissist, and dude, this is fucking Lee to a T. Oh my God, are you kidding me? The man, I think he's a narcissist. I he look at the, look. Oh my God, this is what Lee does. Uh, I wow, yeah, okay. Thanks, Lee, for showing us your condition. And this all truly started when he took his content down and started acting like a fool. And I made a statement. Lee took half his fucking content down, started acting like a fool. I'm stopping sending people there. I think he's been purchased. Well, eh, obviously, he's got fucking issues. And yeah, I no longer send people to him. So, all right, we got some induction heat. Sure, continuing on. Have to do yesterday just a little more, maybe. And there's our ever familiar crunch. Because I'm wrong about everything I say. This isn't going to get worse every day. Oh, it has for years now. I'm not wrong. Lee, see, look, man, God damn it. Stop misleading people. This is a life and death situation here. This ain't a fucking spat between me and Lee. This is a billionaire that has put Lee up to doing shit like this to hide fucking truth. Like they do for fucking how long now? How long have they hidden the truth? And you people get mad at me. Paul, here, let's go look at Paul. Paul here talking about he used to love me and Lee hanging out and talking and fucking working with each other and shit. As, you know, I was talking to Lee for a long time. But Lee got pissed off over fucking Raw. So we only have one son. Anyways, he's like, see which one can be the bigger man. This isn't about being the biggest man. And I've made several videos. Paul here, I made his decision for him. All right, I don't give a fuck. See, I blocked Paul. Now Paul doesn't have to fucking come over here and put up with my shit. You got motherfuckers all over the place calling me a tattooed messiah. How many? Jesus Christ. Thanks, I understand it better. He's misleading people to their fucking death all day long, man. It's fucking killing me. I sent people, thousands of people to this motherfucker. Basically, this man has taken on a doom fucking task. We are we all dead, brought back to life? And he goes on in these videos about how everything's dead, matter's dead, everything's dead. He's stuck on Constantine and burning in hell forever because you touch yourself. I, Jesus Christ. This is a total global witness fucking narrative he's spewing out over here. This guy, he just put out another video last week. It's got 326 comments, 13,000 views. This is how Bill Gates keeps people suppressed. Bill Gates is literally more influential business partner right here, acting like a rogue preacher. This is Bill Gates, lesser known business partner. He is more influential than Bill Gates currently to this day. It's his Facebook facial recognition. This motherfucker runs a consulting firm that runs consulting for Microsoft, Paramount, fucking what is it, the Qualcomm's, or all these communication systems hub around this man. This man currently, this man, and almost 100,000 people out here swallowing up his fucking bullshit. It's amazing. This man is the one that turned Lee. Senior Vice President, Paramount, Microsoft, CEO, International Division, Intel, currently partner Strategies, Inc., consulting firm for who? Everybody on this list. That's who. And then some. See? This is what he does currently for the last 11 years. 12. Currently in Seattle, Washington. This guy. Getting the point? He's still fucking doing what he and Bill have been doing for fucking decades. Keeping truth hidden. This began years ago with Derek Rose. I didn't know who he was. I thought he was a rogue preacher. Because I was talking about the confounded moon. And Bible Canon thought he was pissed off at me. Come to find out, no, Paramount. Oh yeah, all the movies. That's the American Movie Association. 1748 hertz, 1748 hertz, 1748 hertz on the hieroglyph and in human biology all over the place. Obviously, we stumbled on to the Illuminati's deepest fucking secrets. You want to know them? You want to know Bill Gates' secrets, Derek Bros' secrets, the so-called Illuminati's secrets? Go to my video page, the oldest first, and work your way to the top. As far as this goes, and what you can do about it, we've covered that extensively. Because you can do something about it. Matter of fact, the only reason you were created is so you can make the difference in this situation. Be a steward instead of fucking shithead. That's just one John sent me this morning, which is kind of coincidental, isn't it? The guy's been following me around, and John making comments, making his presence known to me for 8 years. See this guy? I don't talk about him much. He's the one that has threatened my son twice. He would you dare. See this guy? This motherfucker's got videos of me going back 8 years. A lot of them about the moon. He would you dare. Both of which have been tracked down to Google and Five Eyes. Five Eyes. D5 lives in Canada. Dazzle lives here. The whole thing about Five Eyes is 5 different countries send out agents to misinform folks across borders. D5 is threatened my son twice. The cops won't do anything about it because he lives in New Zealand, not very fucking Canada. He's in a different fucking nation. That's why they set Five Eyes up. These folks have been in the news several dozen times, harassing senators. Well, I'm a senator's ex-top investigator. Go figure. They are all over my ass. Someone's pulling Derek Rose's strings. That man himself is out early on a minimum mandatory sentence for giving away troop movements during wartime. High treason, they call it. He's out running around the desert, acting like a rogue preacher, with Five Eyes agents surrounding him and me. The man applauds his Five Eyes agents for trying to frame me for hate crimes. He shows up on Robbie's page, who's Daza, incarnate. This whole fucking thing is a big compiled mess. And I've got people telling me, leave it go. Fuck off, leave it go. I'm exposing the evil in the fucking world. You may not like it. I've got a suggestion for you. Go hang out with them. That's your choice. You're either going to fucking know the truth, live the truth without me, or you're going to go hang out with these motherfuckers that have been keeping the truth suppressed. I don't give a fuck. I never have. What I care about is the people that want to know the truth and want to know who these people are. So they aren't fooled by them. If you want to be fooled by them, continue living in your ignorant bliss, tear it back. You're obviously on the wrong channel.